Namaskar, hello, and welcome back. There is one statement which is very close to my heart, and that statement says that you can live your life with a mistake, but you can't live your life with regret. And whenever I read this statement, or whenever I say this statement, or whenever I think about this statement gives me a thought wherein I start thinking as if, there are n number of things which are there in our life, and we need to take decisions about them. And the problem is, most of the people are not taking any decisions in their life just because there is a fear of failure. Now what happens when people don't take decisions, life happens to them, right? And that is when, if life is happening to us, we are not in control of our life. And if we are not in control of our life, then we have the liberty of blaming everything to something or somebody, or the extra factors which are there, probably environmental factor or anything that we can blame on. And that is where we start playing safe, and that is something which is we need to ensure that we are not falling into that trap. Why I am saying that is, it's very easy to put a blame on something else rather than taking the responsibility. But why I am saying this is, we need to take a decision of our life, whether it is a good decision or a bad decision. Let the time tell whether we were right or whether we were wrong. But at least we need to take that initiative and take that decision, and ensure that whatever the decision that we are taking is going to come out with something. It's most of the times I feel like it's nothing good in regretting, right? If we have committed a mistake, at least we have tried something new. If we are committing a mistake, we have done something in our life, right? That is the reason we have failed, and that failing in itself is a huge experience to share with, right? If I have failed at something, I can tell 10 people that you can do this by XYZ process, so that you don't fail the way I have failed, right? If we are just walking on a road, and if we stumble upon something, right, and if you see that somebody is walking behind us, we, being human, we definitely ensure that we are telling them, no, I have stumbled upon that particular place, please be careful while walking on that particular patch, right? So why we are doing that? Because I have taken a decision of walking on that path, and I have committed a mistake, and I have done something wrong, right? But when we don't do that, we regret a lot. And we have seen n number of people in our lives, right? We have relatives, we have friends, relatives, we have relatives, friends who have we have seen who have probably I have seen that happening in my life. These people are sitting in front of me, and when the conversation happens, they say that I regret at the moment, if I could have done that, I wish I would have taken that decision, I wish I would have been to that place, I would have spoken to that person. That I wish is the feeling which is is full of regret. And that is something which creates a huge vacuum in our heart, which is not going to get filled by anything, right? So it's my humble request, and it's out of my own experience I'm sharing that commit mistakes as much as you can, because your mistakes are going to be your stepping stone, right? So commit mistakes, but take some action. It's better than to regret about whatever things that are happening around, right? So I hope this has given you something to think upon, and commit mistakes, but don't regret for whatever the actions that you are taking. Hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.